1. Define financial goals. Ask DeepSeek for help. Example prompt. What are common financial goals for beginners? How do I set smart financial goals? Outcome. Prioritize goals like emergency funds, debt repayment, or saving for a vacation. 2. Track income and expenses. Use DeepSeek to learn tracking methods. Example prompts. Best free apps for tracking expenses. How to categorize monthly expenses. Action. List all income sources and monthly expenses, e.g., rent, groceries, subscriptions. 3. Categorize spending. Get category suggestions. Ask DeepSeek. What are essential versus non-essential budget categories? Common categories. Common categories. 2. Needs. Rent, utilities, groceries. Wants. Dining out, entertainment. Savings, debt. Emergency fund, credit card payments. 4. Create a budget template. Request a template structure. Example prompt. Provide a simple monthly budget template. Sample template, DeepSeek might generate. 5. Allocate fund. Use the 50-30-20ths rule. Ask DeepSeek to explain. Use the 50-30-20ths rule. Ask DeepSeek to explain. 1. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, debt. Adjust ratios. Ask DeepSeek for alternatives based on your goals. 6. Monitor and adjust. Get tips from DeepSeek. How to stay disciplined with a budget. How often should I review my budget? Tools. Use apps like Excel, Google Sheets, or Mint. DeepSeek can explain how to set these up. 7. Troubleshoot with DeepSeek. If you overspend in a category, ask strategies to reduce grocery spending. How to negotiate lower bills. Example DeepSeek workflow prompt. Create a monthly budget template for a $3,000 income. DeepSeek response. Provides a template with categories and suggested allocations. Input data. Fill in your numbers using a spreadsheet or app. Weekly check-ins. Ask DeepSeek how to track daily expenses for reminders or motivation. Important notes. Privacy. Never share sensitive financial details with DeepSeek. Use it for advice, not data storage. Pair with tools. Combine DeepSeek's guidance with apps like Mint, YNAB, or Excel for execution. By leveraging DeepSeek's AI insights, you can build a tailored budget and stay on track with your financial goals.